What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and today we're going to be making an Ancho Chile Chicken breast with some mango salsa right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. The first thing we need to do is to get started on our mango salsa. So in a bowl, I already have 1 cup of diced mango. It ends up being about 1 whole mango. And to that, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of diced Roma tomatoes, along with half of a cup of diced red onion, half of a cup of chopped cilantro, about a tablespoon or so of chopped serrano pepper, a good pinch of salt, and the juice of 3 limes. Now, depending on how ripe or sweet your mango is, you may need to add a teaspoon or so of agave nectar if you want it to be a little bit sweet. All right, so our mango salsa is now done, so we're gonna set this aside to marinate while we work on the rub for our chicken. So in a small bowl, I have 2 teaspoons of Ancho chili powder, and to that I'm gonna mix in 2 teaspoons of adobo seasoning, along with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of cumin, and a half teaspoon of salt. So now we're ready to put our rub on our chicken breast. Now, these chicken breasts are actually pretty uniformly sized. If you find that the chicken breast you have is a lot thicker on one end, you could cut it in half lengthwise, or sometimes at the stores they already have thinly sliced chicken breasts. Now, I already patted these down with some paper towels, and we're probably not gonna need the full amount of rub that we made for just 2 chicken breasts, so you can preserve the rest for later. You don't need to put a whole lot of rub on our chicken, we just need to put enough so that fully covers both sides. So now that these are seasoned, I have a pan over medium heat with about a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're just gonna throw these in once the oil's heated up. All right, so we're gonna cook these in a pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes on the first side before flipping over. We're gonna cook this for another 5 minutes on this side, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter, along with the juice of half of a lime, and about a teaspoon or so of honey. All right, so we're just gonna move everything around in our pan so that our sauce completely covers the chicken, and then we're gonna turn off the heat and take everything out of the pan to rest for about 5 minutes. All right, so you could put this over pretty much anything, just regular rice works, but I'm gonna put it over some brown rice that I cooked completely in chicken stock, along with a little bit of butter, a squeeze of lemon juice, and 1 clove of minced garlic. And there you have an amazing, smoky, flavorful chicken breast for lunch or for dinner. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA.